Okay, you guys, this is our little next YouTube video. I've invested in a Hero GoPro 8. 2 weeks later, the 9 came out. I understand they have to update some software on it because the image quality isn't quite there yet, but that'll be pretty soon. I mean, I'm pretty sure they're going to get their act together. I didn't know it was coming out. I would have thought about it. The price difference isn't very much, but I think I'm being very satisfied with this. This is all to get more content for the channel. I don't have time to bring a camera with me, set it up on a tripod and stuff like that, so I'm hoping to get more hands-on experience, and that's what this part of this video is about. My first two videos, I couldn't get the angle right on the chest mount. If I moved my torso, then it went down towards my feet, and I don't have enough experience. I'm a total novice. Got a lot to learn, but anyway, this is for the channel. This is a flapper I'm installing in my downstairs toilet. Basically, sometimes they come like a plastic material and they get kind of stiff and disform, and that need to be changed. Most of the new ones kind of rubbery type material. Even if they are made of plastic, they're more soft, more supple, and they tend to conform better to what they're supposed to be used for. A lot of times people say, well, it's only a flapper, it's not a big deal. Even in my case, I couldn't fit a traditional flapper on there because one of the pins where one of the side goes on was butted up against the wall, so I had to get one that snaps into place instead of loops around it. Hopefully you guys can see that in the video. Other times people forget to clean that rim where the flapper sits, and they leave it and they're wondering why the water's still running. And they even come different sizes, 2-inch, 3-inch, and they come different setups. They ain't always the same. So it's not always just a simple flapper. Part of what this video is about. Hopefully it helps some of you guys. You enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Right? Bye. Okay, I don't know how well this is going to work. I'm using my phone as a preview. Apologize about the mess over here. Not sure how well it's going to adjust white balance, lighting, and stuff like that, but we got to do some work here. So the phone gives me an idea of what I'm looking at, so it's kind of mostly why it's there. This is my toilet. All I'm basically doing is trying to change the flapper. See if we can see inside here. We can't see inside there. Now we can see inside. See the flapper there? It's very tight. I guess we can't see. So it's very hard to get a flapper on there. I can't get one on there. This style won't go around that corner because it's very tight. It's against the bowl itself. So we're going to use a different style that actually snaps in place. And hopefully that works. Tried to get this on there the other day. I couldn't. I'll take that back out. Sadly to say, enough times we see these and they're actually made of a hard plastic, not like a rubbery material, and those get bent out of shape and they don't work, and the toilet runs, and you gotta go change your flapper. I do have a video on, on toilet integrals and shutting it off in emergency, stuff like that. This is just a simplified one. I didn't bring a flashlight, so I'm doing this more or less by feel because I can't see that good. Okay, that one should go in place right there. That one already went in place. Now we gotta get the last one in place. And it looks like I'm gonna have to get a flashlight, so give me a second. Okay, we're back. And we got a flashlight. So I should be able to see much better and hear what we're doing. It looks like it's in place correctly. You guys kind of heard it snap in place. Now we can take this tape off that we had here forever. Get this toilet fill up. And we have to move the fill bottom around so the handle can go down. And we can adjust the handle a little bit. We'll get it. You'll get it right there. Yeah. Yep, we got it. Okay, good. Got everything in place now. Get my flashlight out of here. Yeah, a little lag from the GoPro to the phone. I guess that's pretty normal. Again, that flapper there was a hard, like, plastic type material, and it just warped on me. And the water ran for a while, and I kind of ignored it. And then the fill valve, this piece here, decided to start making some crazy noises. And hopefully my GoPro's working, because the phone ain't showing anything. It's kind of stuck on a certain frame. Just open up the valve on the bottom. Well, I need a wrench to open that up. Anyway, you guys saw me install it. Most of them are very that simple, that easy. And you should do a test. Let's see if I can do that test real quick, because I can't see what I'm looking at. My phone is lagging. I'm going to pause it and push this in place. Put the topper on. And I spoke about a test you want to do. And basically it's this simple. You want to look inside. Oh, that's a mess. Just flush that first. And you're looking to see after it fills up that there's no visible signs of running water. You'll see it. You'll see little drips and stuff like that. I gotta go get a wrench. I'll be right back. Still trying to get used to this GoPro. I made 2 videos. I kind of blew it. Chest mount went kind of low when I was using it, because it aimed down, and I bent my torso over and went low. And when I used the head mount, didn't work that great. This is what you're looking for. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try to make out some light here. You want to make sure you don't see any examples of movement, whether it be a bubble or ripple or something like that. If you have no movement, then the seal is working fine. Okay, now all I gotta do is end the video and turn the valve, open the valve all the way. Have a good one.